What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I'm Andre Diaz, and if you don't know who I am, I've been day trading for 4 years, and I am just a serial entrepreneur, day trader, content creator, and I just like to give value and create content and try to change lives in the process. So in today's video, I want to go over how to handle your emotions. As a trader, in general, you don't even got to be a trader. Maybe you do e-commerce, maybe you have a 9 to 5, maybe you're not even an entrepreneur, maybe you have your own different type of business. Whatever industry you're in, you're going to need to know how to handle your emotions no matter what. It's just something that we need to do in order to be successful no matter the field you're in. So with that being said, I'm going to be giving you guys examples of what I've personally been able to do in my experience to be able to teach myself to handle losses, the systems I've put in place so that I don't self-sabotage when I take losses. Because the one thing people need to understand is losses are guaranteed to happen in trading and in life. They're going to happen. It's our job to be able to know how to handle them and how to keep ourselves controlled. Self-control is very key. Discipline is very key. Everybody takes losses. Jeff Bezos takes losses. Elon Musk, Kanye West. Kanye West was a billionaire, lost hundreds of millions, and then no longer became a billionaire. Losses happen. We got to know how to handle ourselves and how to manage ourselves and how to keep ourselves in the game to stay in the game long term, because that's the name of the game. As traders, as entrepreneurs, we want to be able to stay in the game so that we can continue to make money in 5 months, 6 months, 10 years, 20 years. That's what we want to do. So what is one thing that I've been able to put in place to help myself handle losses better? The first thing you need to do is you got to build confidence. How are you going to build confidence? As a trader, the first thing you want to do to build confidence is have a winning system and constantly win trades. The only way you're going to do this is over time. You're not going to just go in one day and try to take 100 trades and win 100 trades. No. You got to win trades following your system. So if your rules only say you can only take 1 or 2 trades a day, still take those 1 or 2 trades. But now just know it's going to take a longer time to build that confidence, and that's perfectly fine. This isn't going to happen overnight. Don't think that. This is going to take time. You have to have enough time, and you got to put enough work in over the amount of time to be able to build the confidence. Confidence doesn't just happen. Nobody just is born with confidence. You have to build it. You build confidence from doing things that are going to make you confident, from having wins, from having success. The people that are the richest in the world, the people that have the most success in the world, most of them are confident. Why? Because they have the results to back it up. They have the results that led them to have that confidence because they know what they can do. They know what is possible. And the only way you're going to be able to do that is by simply having small wins, small daily wins, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, but it adds up. 1% a day adds up to 365% a year. If you continue to try to get yourself 1% better a day, every year you're going to make yourself 300 times better. And that's compound interest. Is the same thing every day. Just try to be a little bit better. And in trading terms, just try to win your trades. Follow the system, do what you're supposed to, catch those small wins. Now let's say you're not even a trader. You still got to use the same concept of taking those small wins, whether you're in fitness, small reps, starting on low weight, small reps, till you can eventually go higher weight, less reps, higher weight, less reps, higher weight. And you see what I mean? It compounds. No matter what your industry is, you got to use the same concept of taking small wins to build the confidence so that you're able to and know you're going to win. So with that confidence, you now know when you take a loss, it's just a part of the game because you know you're going to win another trade. You know when you fail that PR max, you're going to hit it because you've done it before. You have the confidence, you have the experience to know what to expect from yourself. And that's what you got to do. You got to build that confidence to become, it's all in your mindset. It's all in your head. It all comes down to how you view yourself, how you perceive yourself. So build confidence, get those wins, and look at yourself differently. Look at yourself as successful. Look at yourself as what you want to be. Look at yourself as that future version of you that is at your highest potential. And the second thing that you got to do, this is the most important in my opinion, because yes, you have to have confidence in yourself, but this is even more important. And in my opinion, without this, you aren't going to be successful. But it comes down to, you've probably heard this many times, it comes down to discipline. There's no easy way around it. Losses hurt. They hurt. I know they hurt. They don't feel good. Every time you take a small loss, it feels like the world is crushing on you. You can take 1,000 wins, 1,000 trades, but that one loss is going to hit like a truck. It's just humans. This is how we are. We don't like losing, and that's perfectly understandable. We just have to know how to handle ourselves. So simply, you got to have the discipline. When you take all your trades and you're done for the day, don't take another trade. When you lost your trade, don't take another trade. If you're not supposed to trade today, don't trade today. If you told yourself that you're going to go to the gym, go to the gym. If you told yourself you're going to do something, do it. it's not only just in trading that you have to be disciplined. You have to be disciplined as a person. You have to be disciplined in your whole life. How you do one thing is how you do everything. And that is simply just how it is. I didn't just become disciplined in my trading just from following the rules. I became disciplined in my trading from having a schedule in real life, having a routine, going to the gym, doing things I don't want to. Because keep in mind, trading is only a small percentage of my day. If I'm only disciplined in a 10 to 20% of my day, what about the 80%? I could still be undisciplined. And if I'm undisciplined in that 80%, that's going to flow over into that 10-20% that I am disciplined in, and it's going to then in turn I'm not going to become disciplined long term. So you got to make sure that you're making sure that the 10 to 20% that is trading, you're disciplined, and then that 80% that you're doing outside, that's your regular life, school, work, businesses, working out, how you eat, that all matters too. You got to be disciplined in all those different aspects, because how you do one thing is how you do everything. And once you understand that, you're going to learn. If you have the confidence, if you have the discipline, losses are going to be easy to handle, because you know you're going to win another trade. You know it's just a part of the game. You know in order to take wins, you have to take losses. If you don't like taking losses, then you're not going to be able to stay around long enough to be able to get those wins. It's just how it is. You got to learn to handle the losses to stay in the game long term, because you know long term you're going to consistently win. You know long term you are going to hit those goals. You know you're going to make that money. You know you're going to get that funded account. You know you're going to pass those challenges. You know you're going to get that car. You know you're going to get that penthouse. You know it's going to happen because you've built the confidence and experience that with given enough time, anything is possible. And with that being said, I hope this gave you guys value. And if it did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are interested in learning how to day trade but you don't got the money, make sure you check out the free course that is going to be in the description. And if you want to join a community of like-minded traders where you could take my trades, everybody else's trades, and learn from us while we day trade live every single morning, make sure you join VIP Trading Network. It's also going to be in the description. Make sure you stay safe, stay productive, and fear being average.